Hi guys, today I'm going to show you this page about kindness. Look, and not kindness. Okay, let's see. Look at this. Is this kind, guys? Yes, helping people tie their shoe is nice. Let's see. Look, they're waiting turns to have a drink. That's nice too, right guys? And this is, and there was a kid cried and he said, shh, and there was a girl said, shh, shh, shh. That's a nice thing, right? Look. And look. What's this?
Being a friend.
Being a friend is nice, guys. Look, they're sharing the teddies. That's nice, too. So, let's count how many nice things are these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2. That's 5. And these are all the bad things. There's a girl being so mean and push them. That's a bad thing to that. That girl's bad. Did a bad thing. Look. No pushy. And look. That's the one I said first. She kicked a boy. That's not nice. And look at the boy. He's laughing at him here when he got hurt. And they made a high five. That means that's nice. So that's 6. Today we're going to do a song about filling your bucket. I got a song for you to watch. Let's watch it. Look, guys.